KashKick does not have a universal referral amount that applies to every user at all times, because referral rewards can depend on the current offer shown inside the platform. By the end, you'll know where to check the real KashKick referral bonus, how the referral process works, and what to verify before sharing your link. The first step is checking your own KashKick account. Referral rewards are displayed through the referral section available to your account, so the amount shown there is the one that applies to you. Avoid relying on old screenshots or third-party posts, because referral offers can change. The referral process starts by finding your personal referral link. This link is connected to your account, and when someone joins through it, the referral activity can be tracked through the platform. The second section is understanding what actually affects your reward. A referral bonus is usually not just about sending a link. The person joining may need to complete certain requirements before a reward is credited. Always read the terms shown with your referral offer before sharing it. Check the details for any conditions connected to the bonus. Look for what the new user needs to do, whether the reward is pending, and where the progress appears inside your account. These details explain why a referral may not show immediately. The third section is getting the most accurate information. Open KashKick directly, go to the referral area, and review the current offer listed there. This gives you the latest information for your account, instead of depending on outdated information. If a referral does not appear correctly, collect the details first. Save your referral information, note when the person joined, and check whether the required steps were completed. Clear information makes it easier to understand what happened. The best way to use referral programs is to focus on sharing with people who are genuinely interested in the platform. A referral only helps when the new user understands how the platform works and completes the required steps. To summarize, the KashKick referral bonus amount depends on the offer shown in your account. Referral rewards may require specific actions before they are credited, and the referral section is the best place to check current details. Your next step is to open your KashKick account and review the referral offer before sending your link. If this guide helped you understand the KashKick referral bonus, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.